Hi, I'm Micaela, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make lemon squares. Let's get to it! The first step is to preheat the oven to 350. We're going to need 1.5 cups of flour, 14 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, 3 eggs, and 1 cup of sugar. We'll also need a large mixing bowl, a hand mixer, a spatula, and a 9x13 baking pan. We're going to start off by putting our butter in our bowl. Next, beat the butter. This step is really important, so take your time. When the butter is nice and smooth, add in the 3 eggs. When those are combined, add in the sugar. After that, it's time to add in the zest and juice of the lemon. Make sure that you only mix until just combined. Next, add in the flour and the baking powder. Make sure to add the flour in 2 parts. The baking powder can go in all in one. Scrape around the bowl as you go. Now that the batter's all finished, we're going to put it in our pan. We're going to use a spatula and make sure to scrape around all the edges of the bowl. Next, we're going to scoop the batter into the cake pan so we can get an even consistency around the whole thing. This might be easier if you have a parent or a sibling help you hold the bowl while you scoop. Once you have your batter in your pan, you're going to grab your spatula and spread it evenly. Make sure to push the batter into each corner. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Make sure to set a timer for 25 minutes. While the lemon squares are baking, we'll get started on the glaze. We're going to need 1 cup of icing sugar, lemon juice, and a whisk. We'll start off by pouring a little bit of the lemon juice into the powdered sugar and mixing really well. Keep whisking and adding lemon juice until you get the glaze consistency. It should look like this when you're all finished. Now that our lemon squares are out of the oven and cooled, we're going to use our spatula and drizzle the glaze over our lemon squares. Make sure to get an even layer all around. After the glaze has had a chance to set, we're going to use our knife to cut the lemon squares. Make sure to get your parents' help or permission if you're doing this by yourself. We're going to start by cutting a thin border around the perimeter of the lemon squares. Once that's finished, we're going to go ahead and cut our lemon squares into a 6x4 grid. Now that our lemon squares are cut, it's time to transfer them to a plate. Grab your spatula and start taking them out. The first couple are going to be a little more difficult, but that's okay. You'll get the hang of it.